how to borrow money from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the home section of your Cash App. All you have to do is just scroll down on the home section, and over here under the section of more ways to add money, you would be able to find the option of borrow. In case if it is not shown for you, just simply open up your profile of Cash App and scroll down, and here on the support section simply click on it, then wait for it to load. After that, just scroll down, and here on the borrow, when you click on this option of why can't I borrow, you would be able to see there are some conditions that you need to fulfill in order to get the borrow option. In case if you have already done all the stuff which is required in order to get this particular option, you can simply click on this option of chat. After that, wait for it, then chat with the support and tell them that you require the borrow option, which is not there in your Cash App. Even after completing all the conditions out there, then they would be able to support you in this, and you would be able to borrow money from Cash App. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.